This is one of the most relaxing things to watch on this platform. This is a close-up of a bird preening its feathers. You've probably seen birds preen before, but I bet you've never seen it this up close and personal. The way that they meticulously clean and arrange each feather is so satisfying to watch. It's like a mini spa day for them. Birds spend a lot of time preening their feathers. It's how they keep their feathers clean and their skin healthy. They also use preening as a way to bond with other birds. This little bird is taking its sweet time, making sure each feather is perfect. It's been almost 7 minutes since this started, and there's still a lot of feathers left to go. I'm not sure if this is sped up or not, but either way, it's very satisfying to watch. This is like ASMR, but for nature lovers. If you like this kind of content, follow for more.